Hey all, Chris Bassett here. Is your iPhone 16 feeling sluggish or are you getting storage full warnings? I'm going to show you 3 simple and powerful ways to reclaim gigabytes of storage and get your phone running fast. Let's get started. First up is the easiest and most effective fix: clearing your web browser data. Every site you visit stores files to load faster, but this adds up quickly. So for your first step, go ahead and scroll down to the Settings app. So step number 1, open the Settings app. Step number 2, scroll down and find Safari. Step number 3, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap Clear History and Website Data. Step number 4, tap Clear History and Data to confirm. And just a heads up, this will be ready to sign you out of most websites, so be ready to log back in. The next area is to tackle your individual apps. Apps like YouTube, streaming devices, and games can silently hoard huge amounts of cache. To find the worst offenders, go ahead and navigate to your settings, tap General, and then go down to iPhone Storage, let it load. This list shows apps ordered by how much space they use. Step number 3, tap on any app near the top. You'll see a split: app size and data and documents. If documents and data is huge, that's your cache. To truly clear this data, you'll have to delete the app and then reinstall it from the App Store. But before you do that, check out my next pro tip. This final trick is the best way to free space without losing your important app data, like login info or saved files. And it's called Offload app. Step number 1, from the same iPhone storage screen, select an app. And then step number 2, tap Offload apps. This removes the core application, which is most of the cache, but keeps your valuable documents and settings. You'll see a cloud icon next to the app name. When you need it, just tap the icon and it downloads almost instantly exactly where you left off. It's the best of both worlds. And there you have it, 3 powerful ways to clear cache and give your iPhone 16 a significant performance boost. No matter the iPhone model, these steps are a key to a smoother experience. Let me know in the comments if this freed up space for you. If you found the tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward tech fixes and DIY guides. Thanks for watching.